To Purl Continental is the same theory. You actually just, the difference is where you're holding your yarn and how you're controlling your tension, so you're not having to drop anything as you go. So same for a regular purl stitch, you're actually going to pull your working yarn to the front of the project. You'll go in through the stitch that's on your left needle. You'll go from the back to the front with your right needle in front of the left needle, and then pull that yarn around, wrap it around, slip it over. The new stitch is now on your right needle and the old is on the left, and you'll just slip it right off. And then you'll repeat that motion. So from the back to the front, wrap it up and around, slip, wrap, slip, wrap, slip, wrap, slip. And as you see, once you get going and you've developed your style and gotten comfortable with controlling the tension, you can make a nice machine-like motion, and you don't have to drop anything or let go of any of the moving parts as you go. Everyone has their own style. I tend to use my fingers to pinch and grip to control where my yarn's going. But as you do it, you'll find a style that works for you.